Welcome back, children. Yes, today we will discussion, that is the session 3. We will discussion, that is the chapter money, the continuation of this lesson. So now we will study about the which one, that is exercise 9.3, sorry 9.4. Yes, okay. See, they can given here in this exercise 9.4. So first they can given here, add the following. Yes, so they can be given here rupees and paise. Okay, so we will add rupees and paise to paise form and rupees to rupees form. Okay, so here first one, that is in rupees paise. 35 rupees 67 paise, 21 rupees 32 paise. Okay, so this is 32 paise. So this is column, put a column of this one, so paise form and rupees form. Okay, so first we will add these two. So 7 plus 2 how much? So this is paise, so paise column, so paise. First we will be add paise form and after we will add rupees. Okay, so here paise to paise, 7 plus 2 9. Okay, next one, 6 plus 3 9, so 99 paise. Next one, 5 plus in rupees. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 plus 2 is how much? 3 plus 2 is 5. So here answer is how much? Rupees 56.99 paise. You can get answer is rupees 66.99 paise. Okay, second one we are going as, that is rupees then paise. Okay, in rupees 44, 36, 52, 61. Okay, so it means 44 rupee 36 paise, 52 rupees 61 paise. Okay, so now we will add. 6 plus 1 is 7, 6 plus 3 is 9, 97 paise. 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 plus 4 is 9, 96 rupees. 96 rupees 97 paise. Understood? Yes. Next one, that is third one, rupees. The next one, paise. Okay, so in rupees column, 88 rupees 5 paise, 11 rupee 90 paise. Okay, so now add these two. Okay, so we'll add these two. 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 9 is 9, so 95 paise. The next one, 8 plus 1 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, so 99 rupees 95 paise. Understood? So 99 rupees 95 paise. So next one we are going, that is in this main only. Okay, next one, that is seventh one, will start here. Rupees remaining are there, no, which are the problems I left, you do yourselves. Okay, so 5 paise, 475 paise, 0, 20 rupees 75 paise. Okay, so now we will add these two. 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 7, 7, 75 paise. Okay, so next one here, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 as it is. It means 495 rupee 75 paise. Understood? Yes. Again one, that is eighth one. Eighth not, it is 10th one will do. Okay, 10th one, rupees paise. Okay, so 320 25 paise, 425 25 paise. Okay, see, 5 plus 5, how much? 10. I'll write 0 here, give a carry 1 to paise. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 50 paise. Okay, so here 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So here see students, 745 rupees 50 paise. Understood? Yes students. So which are the problems I left? No, so those all you will be do in your cells. Okay, yes. So we are going as, so these we studied, no, these all are addition. Okay, next we are going the subtraction. Subtract the following. Okay, that is second main, subtract the following. Subtract the following. Okay, so in this main, the first one here see, rupees paisa. Okay, so here 75 rupees 50 paise, 30 rupees 15 paise. Okay, see here, so we'll do now first 0 minus 5. So 5 is bigger than the 0. What we will do? So in that time we'll here, so we take 1 from here, so in from this number, so we take 1 from this number, it will become 4, so it will become 10. Okay, so 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, 4 minus 1, so we subtract from 4 only, not 5, already 1 minus here, so it will went from here, so here 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so next one, 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 4 is, 7 minus 3 is 4. So answer is, we subtracted money. Okay, so answer is 45 rupee 35 paise. Understood? Okay, next one, that is second one, rupees paise. 90 rupee 75 paise, 45 rupee 25 paise. Okay, so we subtract now. So here see paise to paise. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 2 is how much? 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Next, here 0 is there, here 5 is there. 5 is bigger than the 0. So it can, means 5 is cannot be subtract from 0. So what we will do? Here 1 of we will take from here. So it will become as 8. It will become as 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 4 is 4. Answer is 45 rupee 50 paise. Understood? 45 rupee 50 paise. Next one, that is, we are start here 30s. Fourth one will do. Okay, fourth one, rupees paise. 99 rupees 99 paise, 55 rupees 55 paise. Okay, so here see we subtract here. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. So we can get answer is 44 rupees 44 paise. 44 rupees 44 paise. Okay, understood this one? Yes. So next one, that is, we'll do seventh one. Okay, seventh one, rupees paise. Okay, so 120 rupees 25 paise, 50 rupees 20 paise. Okay, so 5 minus 0 is how much? 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, 5 paise. The next one, 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 5, can't to subtract 2 minus 5. What we will do here? So 12 minus 5. So here 12 is there, no? So here 12 minus 5 we will be take. So here 12 minus 5. So here this 1 is B, it will become as 0. 1 can be taken here. So it will become as 12. Okay. So here 12 minus 5 is how much it comes here? 7. Okay. So 7. So answer is what we can taken here? So answer is 70 rupee 5 paise. Understood? Yes. So next one we are going as okay. So next one, that is 10th one will do rupees paise. 75 rupees 25 paise, 50 rupees 20 paise. Okay. Here see 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 as it is will write 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. It means we can get 25 rupees 5 paise. Yes, understood students how to subtract and how to add the money. Yes, so paise and rupees. Okay, so next we are going as that is the next main. So that main is solve the following verbal problems, or as we can call as those all are statement problems. Okay, so verbal problems. So orally problems. Solve the following verbal problems. Okay. Yes. Here see students, first one they can given here. If Sanju spent rupees 1925, it means 19 rupees 25 paise to buy chocolates. Okay, chocolates and rupees 6.25 paise to buy biscuits. What is the total amount? What is the total amount? What is the total amount spent by Sanju? What we will do here? Total amount they can ask no here. So what we will do here? So first here, if Sanju spent rupees 19 rupees 25 paise to buy a chocolates and 6 rupees 25 to buy as a biscuit. So what is the total amount spent by Sanju? So how much amount he spent, total amount. Okay. So we'll write here amount spent by to buy chocolates. How much rupee he spent here? 19 rupees 19.25 paise. Okay. Next one, amount spent to buy biscuits. Okay. So amount spent to buy biscuits. How much amount he spent here? Rupees 6.25 paise. Okay. So now we will be add these two, because what we need here? We need total amount spent. Sanju totally how much amount he spent. So 5 plus 5 here 10. Okay. So give a carry 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. So next one, 9 plus how much they can given here? 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. give a carry 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. So here rupees 25.50 paise. Yes. Total amount spent by Sanju. How much amount he spent here? Rupees 25.50 paise. Yes, understood students this one? Yes, again one will do here. Again one will do, okay, that is second one. Sonali's father gave her rupees 80 and her mother gave her rupees 25 paise. Okay, what is the total amount of money Sonali has? Okay, yes. See students, Sonali's father gave her 80 rupee. Okay, and her mother gave her 25 rupees 25 paise. And totally what is the amount he has? Okay, totally Sonali how much money she has? Okay, yes, we'll do here. See, amount given by Sonali's father rupees 80. Okay, and amount given by Sonali's mother. Okay, so rupees 25 paise. Yes, total amount how much she has? So 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 2, 2. Okay, 0 plus 5, 5, 8 plus 2 how much? 10. Totally she has how much? Total amount with Sonali is how much? 105 rupees 25 paise. 105 rupees 25 paise Sonali has. Okay, total amount of father gave how much amount, mother gave how much amount. So we add both, we can get the total amount with her. How much? 105 25 paise. Yes. Okay, next one. Okay, see here, so that is second main. Okay, so in the first main, sorry, this is third main, that is fourth main, not second main. So here see students, in third main, so left out how many are there? No, so remaining are there, you do yourselves. Okay, so next we are going as fourth main, that is solve the following statement problems. Solve the following statement problems. Okay, so here see, first one they can given here. Rekha has rupees 125 50 paise, and she spent rupees 13.75 paise to buy an ice cream. How much money is remaining with her? Yes, okay. So Rekha has, how much she has? Rupees 125 50 paise, and she spent rupees 13.75 paise. So to buy, to take here chocolate, sorry, to take ice cream. Okay. So remaining how many amount with her? Okay. So what we will do here? We subtract. Yes. So total money with Rekha. Total money with Rekha, how much is there here? So she has 125 rupees. 125 rupees 50 paise. Okay. Yes. Next one, money spent for ice cream. Money spent for ice cream. How much she spent ice cream to take here? Rupees 13.75 paise for ice cream. Okay, so we will subtract both. Money remaining. How much money she remains? Okay, so we'll do here. So here is 0, 5. So here, so we can take 10 from this side. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 7, it can't to go 4 minus 7. So again we will take from here. So 14. Okay. So 14 minus 7 is how much? So 7 only. Okay. So next one, 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 as it is 1. So remains she has how much? 111 rupees 75 paise. Understood this one? How to do? Okay, yes, you already learned this one. So borrow method already you know that is. Okay, yes. So next one we are going, that is second one. Shashank has rupees 125 50 paise, and he purchased a doll for his sister by paying rupees 75 25 paise. Okay, so how much money remains with him? Yes, so here Shashank has total, he has 125 rupee 50 paise, and he purchased for a doll. For what purpose? He gave her sister. Okay, he gave her sister. So that purchasing amount is, that is 75 rupees 25 paise. Okay, total amount how much he has? Okay, so money remain with Shashank. So how much money he has? He has rupees 125 rupees 50 paise. And how much money he spent for doll? Money spent to purchase a doll. How much money he spent for doll? Rupees 75 25 paise. Yes, total of here. So how much money he spent? Money remained, money remained money remaining with him. Okay, yes, see. So here see students, 0, here 5 is there, here 0 is there, so it will become as 10. So we can take from 1 here. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so here 5 minus 5 is 0. Here how much is there? 12 is there. Here how much is there? 5 is there. Okay, so here 12 minus 5 is how much? 12. So it will become as 0. So it will become as 12. 12 minus 5 is, 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay. So rupees, how much money remained with Shashank? 50 rupees 25 paise. Okay. Next one. Yes, so here see students, so next we are going as, so remaining are there in this main, so you will be doing yourselves. Okay, so next we are going as a price list. Okay, we are study about price list. So here see students, in this picture they can given here, so one of the father means father, and so yes, so this means his boy and his boy father is went to a shop, that is a stationery shop, went to a stationery shop. So here the present list has been written here. So here see how much is there. Sorry, that is not here stationery shop, here provision store, they can went to a provision store. So they can mention here the price list. It means rice 31 rupee, sugar 28 rupee, dal 62, wheat 30. So like they can be mentioned, whatever we want to take or we want to purchase these provision, so we can see the price list and we will be purchased. Yes, so the boy is asking to his dad, daddy, what has been written on board? Yes, so how it is useful? Okay, so and here see he can asking for the dad. So to know the amount, we look to pay a look cost of 1 kg of rice. What purpose they can be mentioned here? To know the amount, how much rupees is there for the each things. Okay, so here see, so here they can give, for example he told here, see, so 1 means 1 kg of rice is 31 rupees. Okay, so now you only tell me what is the price of 1 kg of sugar. Okay, that boy is tell to here, yes, so I know it is rupees 28, he told to his father. Yes, so like here every shop displays a price list. Yes, so it helps to us to know the price of things, how much the things price is there. Yes, and want to buy, that we want to buy from the shop. Okay, so here like same way they can be given here in the second picture. So Iyengar bakery, so this is a bakery, so they can be mentioned here a 1 bread pound, so its rupees is 12, and cupcake 5 rupees 50 paise, chocolate 2 rupee, veg puff 10 rupee, egg puff 11 rupees. So they can be mentioned here. So here it will be mentioned. So Preeti visited this shop for bakery. So she showed that all, but only she purchased 3 things. Only that one veg puff, 1 pound of bread, and 1 chocolate. So how much money she can give? 1 veg puff is, its amount is rupees 10, and 1 pound of bread is, its price is 12 rupees, and 1 chocolate, so its price is rupees 2. So if they can be mentioned, so it's easy to buy things. Okay, yes, understood that one? Yes, students, they can be given here. So this price list will continue through a textbook. Okay. they can give given here. See students, this is the bill. Okay, so receipt for shop name is here Sri Textiles, MG Road, Kalburgi. Yes, so they can be mentioned here. Okay, so this is the bill number. So 15702, it's a bill number. Okay, and name is who purchased this. It means who purchased these all things means Rajendra. So when he purchased 10/4/2016. Okay, same way here. See what are the items he purchased here. So this is serial number, how many items he purchased, item descriptions, which are the items shirt, sari, dress. Okay, quality, it means how much amount, it means how much he purchased, one shirt, one, it means 2, 1, 3 like it is. Okay, so we will be mentioned one shirt, one sari and one dress. So rate, how much is the rate of one shirt? 250 rupees. Sari 725 rupees. Dress 375 rupees. Yes, so like amount of here, so we will be mentioned only one she purchased, no, so he purchased, no, so its amount is same, it comes. If it is 2 he purchased, it's a doubled. Yes, into 2 will be do this one. Okay, so here see they can be mentioned here how much its price is here. So total amount they can be mentioned here. So VAT also they mentioned, total 1420 rupees. Add these all, we can get answer is 1420 rupees. Okay, so this 1420 rupees, so they are mentioned here in a word form, 1420 rupees. Yes, understood? Yes, and also the terms and conditions they are also written here. Name and address of the shop here. See, name and address of the shop, receipt number and the date, purchasing date, receipt numbers, and also and name of the customer who is Rajendra. Details of the item purchased, which are the item he purchased. The cost of each item purchased here, amount, rate. Yes. Total amount to be paid is written both in number and in words. How much? 1420 rupees. Yes. So last one is the sign of the shopkeeper who gave this bill. Yes, this is shopkeeper. Likewise, they can be given here. See. So to that item price list here, they can 200 page here, how much they can given here, and 100 page book, that is 15 rupees, eraser, pen and pencil. So all these we will add all these and write here. Okay, understood about this one? Yes, this is also another one, receipt. Yes, here see students, you can see here exercise 9.5. Okay, so this 9.5, fill in the blanks. First one, the slip we receive from the shopkeeper containing the details of purchase is called. So purchase is called. So this is a receipt. We will be purchasing this slip. We will be purchasing. What we can call this one? We can call this one receipt or as a bill. Yes, we can call this one receipt or bill. Okay, second one, the board displayed in a shop showing the price of each item is called as price list. What we can call this one? Price list. Understood? Yes. So next one, in a receipt the total amount to be paid and should be written in numbers and also in words. Words form also they can be written here. No, not only numbers, word form also is there. Yes. Yes, so observe this one, that is receipt. Okay, so receipt is here Jagadamba Textile, Bangalore. Okay, bill number they can be mentioned here, name of the customer Parvati and date when she purchased, and items here sari, blouse piece and handkerchief. Yes, and next one, quantity how much she purchased, 1, 2 and 5, like price. Price per unit here, how much she purchased, only 1, so 450 rupees, 225 rupees and 10 rupees. Yes, all these here we add these all things, so we can get answer. Total amount is 572 rupees 50 paise. Okay, yes, so these 572 rupees 50 paise in word form here, see 572 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, yes, so they can be given here. So in this main, what they can be given here, so we'll write what is the name of the customer here, they can be given here, Parvati is the name of customer. Okay, yes, Next one, what is the cost of the sari purchased? Sari amount, how much is there here? Cost of sari amount is rupees 450. Okay, yes. Next one, what is the cost of one handkerchief? One handkerchief price is rupees 10, but how much she purchased? 5 she purchased, no, so here it will become as 50, but one kerchief amount is 10 rupee. Understood? Yes. What is the total amount to be paid to the shopkeeper? Total amount, how much she paid here? Rupees 572 rupees 50 paise. Okay, 572 rupees 50 paise. What is the receipt number? So it means here they can be mentioned bill number, that is 301. This is the bill number. Yes, understood this one? How to do this one? Same way students, if it is there whatever you are purchased in your house, so you can take that bill and mention like this one. Okay, yes. So students, I hope you understood this lesson. So this lesson is completed. Tomorrow we will continue, that is the new chapter. Thank you for watching.